ټیل غږ سوی دی تلوار صاحب لا تر اوسه لغړي
will want to continue to, well, another day, another game. Straight away down the track. Has he connected? You bet he has. This is very good connection down the track against Naveen ul Haq for the first maximum, first Pagiza.
Indeed. Wonderful shot. He charged down the track. He knows that Naveen is not quick, so he can afford to come down the wicket. It doesn't mean that Naveen is medium. He could bowl brisk, but the batter that time, Abdul Malik, walking down the pitch. Look how far down he is. Got to the pitch. And then bang she goes. Yes, the first Pagisa.
Well, so far the bounce and carry has been fine on this track. We'll have to see. We saw earlier today a match that was played, 200 plus run was scored.
What can he do?
Well, misfield by Amir Hamza Hotak. The ball is running down to the boundary. He won't like it. Throws his hand at it, but I doubt if he's safe the boundary. Zubaid Akbari for a ball that was pitched a little short. Plays it nicely, but it was right to the fielder. Some assistance from Amir Hamza Hotak provides an extra 4 run. The best of the spinners, Rashid Khan and the company. That was quicker, and that is running down to the boundary. Off an edge, nonetheless, 4 runs.
That's not where he wanted it to go. That was pushed through quicker. That's again what Naveen does well. He zips on. He's not someone who bowls bouncers and who's physically intimidating, but someone who can beat you for pace, someone who can wrap you on the pads. And that delivery,
best, because anyone from the 4 team can make it. Zubaid Akbari plays this in the air. There's no one down at the deep. This will run down to the boundary. Safe shot. This is what you can do inside the power play.
yeah, given him width. Naveen ul Haq looks a little bit rusty to me, playing after a while, struggling with his radar a bit. See, that was slower, but the width on offer allows the batter to go over extra cover. That's 4. Lovely weather, isn't it? It's nice. It's quite cool. Not the bull. Down the ground. Massive. Spagiza. You had a Saluriza first, and now a Spagiza.
Well, down the ground and out of the park. The crowd is enjoying it. With the Amushar's flags waving around into the slot to Zubaid Akbari, who played it, gives you 4 runs. If you have to say 4, you gotta say Salur. Now this is running down to the boundary for 4 runs. I will say, oh, did he stop it? Some football skills maybe didn't work. Salur Monday. That will mean 4 runs.
So that's not Salurisa.
It is Saluriza,
but it is Salur Monday.
It is in other words, it is Salur Monday.
Okay, good. Thank you. I'm learning.
And Spagiza is Spag.
Spag.
That's right. Have a look at that. Oh, so it had already hit the cushion. Zubaid Akbari is not gonna stop. Wow, back-to-back boundaries.
Another Salur Monday.
That is right.
I'm learning. So, just to make the point about Ghassan, for how good did he look yesterday? How unplayable did he look yesterday on that surface? But come today, this is where you talk about skill. The surface is easy. Ball coming onto the bat. Batters are enjoying themselves. Gisas and Salur Mondays.
And good cricket. Zubair Dagbari is playing brilliantly. That's the reason why I was saying you can't give him the chance. And look at this. Inside 4 overs, 50 up for the Amul Sharks.
Look at Gasanfa's figures. He's gone for 20 in 2. He's trying everything, but the surface is not responding to him. Now he will learn. He will only get better.
او دلته بال فل ټاس او بال د سلورو منډو لپاره په کور کې لوبیږي. زبید اکبري د آفتاب عالم پر وړاندې هم صبر نه کوي او سلوري ترلاسه کوي.
یو بله په زړه پورې ورځ یوه ډېره ښه پاڼه د چاپلاسي پیلیز توپوهونکي زبید اکبري لپاره تاسو وګورئ هر بال یې په ډېره ښه توګه میډل کړی دی. پیل په دغو نه وي مګر زبید ښکاره کوي چې ډېر ښه دی. دا ځل یو ځل بیا پلی کېدو نه پاس د فاین لیګ او سکوایر لیګ ترمنځ 4 نورې منډې په زړه پورې لوبونه فاین لیګ کې زبید اکبري پرله پسې دا د 2 څلوریزه هم په دغه اور کې ترلاسه کړه.
بالکل هوښیاره توپوهنه د زبید اکبري له لوري نن
او امیر حمزه بیا هم ناسم پوهاوی د رن آوټ یوه هڅه او دې سره شاید چې لومړی زیان ووسي. د نهم غږی په پایله کې انفوم توپوهونکی زبید اکبري په ستونزه کې دی.
بالکل ما مخکې وویل چې دوی احتیاط کوي خو ډېر احتیاط هم کله وخت په تاوان وي او دلته د منډې جوړول بیا د بندامیر غوندې لوبډله چې قوي ډګر ساتونکي لري په پاور پلی کې هم یا په سرکل دایره کې ټول فیلډران دننه وي اسانه نه وي. دلته اسانه رن آوټ ترسره کوي وکټ کیپر او په دلته لومړی وکټ امو له لاسه ورکوي او یو ټي هغه 3
منځ ولیدل شو. اما دا ځل کال داسې ښکاري چې عبدالمالک کړی خو یو څه مخکې راغلی و خو په ټوله کې دلته په دغه وخت کې بیا کال د سټرایکر وي. کله چې بال میډاپ او میدان ته ځي هغه سټرایکر پوهیږي چې دغه ځای د منډې جوړولو دی وکیا څه ورکوي. له هغې وروسته منډې یو څه ولاړې دي او دې سره سکویر کټ نه پس 4 نورې منډې. دا ځل شاید الله کمال له ځنډ وروسته د بونډرۍ په ترلاسه کولو بریالی شو. هغه هم د امو شارکس لوبډلې لپاره دا لوبېدنه ډېره په زړه پورې وه د شاهد الله کمال لوري.
ډېر ښه سکویر کټ و پلیسمنټ
11 of 12. Some drifting on the pads. Lovely timing. Nice clip through the onside. And he picks up a 4.
Well, it was a tough chase for Naveen ul Haq, but the ball wins the race. Rushes down to the boundary, onto the pads. I think it was a gift offered from Kareem Jannat to Shahidullah Kamal. Naveen ul Haq. I think it wasn't that tough to put it.
Relief as well. Temperature soaring, now coming down. Pedals it fine. Chase for the fielder. He won't get there. He picks up a 4. That's good connection from Abdul Malik. Just manipulating the field. Finally gets up in the circle, making sure that he got it fine. A fine connection. Look at this once again. Picking it from well outside the opposite stump. It came off the face of the bat. He got it fine.
Well, they've got the momentum right now, striking at about 250 in the last 7, provided the breakthrough. And the next time a full toss was bowled, that could have been a good catch. That could have been a good catch. I think he mistimed his jump. He'll have to look at it. I'll come back to that story. Let's have a look at this.
First thing first, slower delivery from Aftab Alam. He picked the pace and length of the delivery really well. Short boundaries on the onside. You expect the batters to go for the big shot. Swung it over the top of the man on the mid-wicket. Just over him. Had he been on the edge of the boundary, he would have taken this catch very easily.
Yeah, Riaz hasn't missed on that. But even then, I think he just mistimed his jump. Had he timed his jump right, his ego is hurt. He gives away his wicket. Slower again, this time high in the air. Will they clear the field? Yes, he will. So 2 sixes in this over.
Beautiful batsmanship from Abdul Malik. Excellent ball striking, timing, consummate ease in production of stroke. Such a beautiful batter. Look at this once again, coming down the pitch, picking the slower delivery really well, going with the tide, beautifully struck, lovely timing, teasing the fieldsman. They needed Khalid there on the boundary to take that catch.
یوسلونو لس منډي ډېرې منډې دي دا ځل ډان د وکټ راځي بالکل په سټریټ باندې څلور منډي شاهد کمال
احتیا هم په زړه پورې شاټ شاید لا کمال که موږ په وروستیو کې ګورو د هغه ټیکینګ کرکټ د هغه حملاور کرکټ هغه څه دي چې هغه سره یې مرسته کړې ده د لوبډلې سره یې مرسته کړې تاسو ګورئ کله چې د هغه زون کې بال وي هېڅکله یې نه به کوي او په نننۍ سیالۍ کې حاکم دي دوی بڑا شپږیزه کرکټ لیګ کې بالینګ بیټینګ فیلډینګ او وکټ یې لټاو وکټ یې بالاخره ترلاسه کړه لیډینګ یې جو په زړه پورې یو څه سلو یې ترسره کړه هوا کې او دغه وړتیا لري ننګیال هروټ یې بالاخره وکټ ترلاسه شول او شاید کمال به بیرته ځي
دا توپ که وګورو تر دې وړاندې چې عبدالمالک ته کوم توپ ترسره شو هغه هم لیډینګ ایجو خو د ډګر ساتونکي او توپ تر مابینځ واټن وو د کیچ موقع نه وه دا ځل بالکل کوټن بولډ سو شاهد کمال مستقیم کیچ ورپاسې ننګیال خروټي ته
تاسو ګورئ هوا کې سلو ترسره کړی دی توقع داسې نه وه چې دومره به باونس کېږي دومره سلو به رارسېږي شاید کمال ته وه هلته په خپل اسانه کیچینګ پریکټس او بالاخره وکټ راله
په درې څلوېښت توپونو باندې نه څلوېښت منډې جوړې کړې دي دا ځل نو عبدالمالک خپله پنځوسیزه بشپړه کړه 50 ترسره کوي عبدالمالک دامون هنګام پرانیزګر توپوهونکی
ډېر یو ښه کرکټر ډېر یو په زړه پورې توپوهونکی په پیل کې د امو لپاره په دوامداره توګه د هغه پرفارمنس د هغه کارکردګي دوه شپږ
وکټ باندې باید سټي وکړي احتیاط ورسره کوي غلط شاټ هڅه نه کوي دا ځل شاټ او توپ د لوبغالي څخه د باندې بهترینه شپږیزه د اسحاق رحیمي له بیټ څخه
یو څه مخکې و دا ځل توپ او اسحاق رحیمي چمتو باډي مخکې راوړله په ډېر ښه ډول سره آن سایډ کې له لوبغالي څخه بهر که بیا یې وګورو اوه خالیدنه په زړه پورې راخیستنه ده
به د ننګیال په وړاندې ګورو او لیډینګ ایج کیچ آوټ دلته ننګیال خروټی بله وکټه ترلاسه کوي با کماله توپ اچونه له هنر څخه ډکه توپ اچونه د ننګیال خروټي اسحاق رحیمي ولاړ ده
بالکل رښتیا هم د کمال ډکه توپ اچونه په زړه پورې اسحاق رحیمي خپله هم حیران دی او دلته پرله پسې دوه اورونو کې دوه وکټې د ننګیال هروټي هغه یادونه موږ کوله چې څومره د استعداده ډکه او بالاخره اسحاق رحیمي اوه منډو باندې خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکړه پنځو توپونو مخه یې کړې وه یو سل څلوېښتو منډو کې درېیم لوبغالی هم له لاسه ورکړ امو لوبډلې تاسو وګورئ لیډینګ ایج او د هغه ځیرکتیا هوښیارتیا فیلډینګ بالینګ بیټینګ درې واړه بشپړ فول پیکیج دی د بندي امیر لپاره
واو ډېر په زړه پورې ډېر اعلی ننګیال خروټی دا ځوان په
هغه په آن سایډ لوبو کراس بیټ سره هماغه چې دا ځل چمتو دی عبدالمالک او سزا ورکوي مخکې پیچ کړ هاف لیو او هلته چمتو عبدالمالک سټریټ شپږیزه ورکوي خپه دی خوښ نه دی ننګیال له دغه بال څخه
بالکل کله چې د هغه زون ته راځي هغه ته نږدې بال ترسره کوي نو عبدالمالک ته دغسې بالونو یو بهتر
Remarkable stroke from Abdul Malik. Amazing stroke. Brilliant stroke. It was important to hit it on the rise. It was a bouncing delivery. Look at this once again. Bouncing delivery, picks it from well outside the off stump and smacks back. The likes of Virat Kohli against Rauf or Ibrahim. Pulls. And he's found the gap. 4 runs. 4 vital runs from the blade of Azmat.
So, what do you call it? A Salurisa or a Salur Monday?
Salur Manda.
Either way, it's a boundary. Short delivery. Sitting up in the pitch. Yeah, into the pitch. Face off. Length, I think, was wrong. But there you are. That's high. Very high. I think the mistake he made was, Hamza knows, the mistake he made was he bowled it slower. And that allowed Azmat to play that shot. Now, and also if you look at the breeze, it's a cross breeze. So don't toss it up, push it a little bit quicker. And Hamza straight away knew. I wish we can show you the reaction. Look at Hamza's reaction. Yup, he holds his head. He knows he made a mistake.
This is the over they should be targeting. Full toss on the leg stump. Boundary.
See, this is what I was talking about with regards to this young man. He has been very good and especially almost unplayable on pitches that are helping him. But when you bowl on pitches that are batter friendly, that's where he will be. And that is good bowling. And given. See, this is his quality. This is what he needs to do. And when he does that, there will be so much that people around the world will respect him and regard him. On a tough pitch for bowlers, he's just got a wicket and dismissed a set batter.
Brilliant piece of bowling. That should be fine. Some part of the shoe behind. Set batsman. Half centurion Abdul Malik goes for 73 of 56. 179 for 4.
Another look. He could have been out caught and stumped both. He was going for a mighty swipe, going over the top.
Azmat launches it downfield. Tremendous ball striking from Azmat, the captain for the side, as he picks up a 6.
I'll take it back. I'll take it back. After that 6, Azmat has made 24 of 12. He's left with 4 balls to get 13. So 200 once again possible.
Clubs it, not in control of the stroke. This could be caught. This is caught. Sensational catch. Karote again.
What is the name of the fielder? Tell me the name of the fielder. That's how good he is. Such a safe catcher, such a safe fielder. Running back. This is the delivery that Hamza bowls slower and pitches and turns. Goes for 24. 188 for 5. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's the one that just bounced a bit. The one that bounced and turned. Very good catch. Let me tell you, Nangyal Karote never easy. He had to backpedal. He was backpedaling. And look how he takes it. Reverse cup, backpedaling.
Smacks it. Magnificent ball striking. Riaz smacks it over the boundary for 6. 200 is still possible.
Definitely. That's Pagisa number 10. We got 14 Salor Mondays. And we got 10 Spagizas. So one more Spagiza would give the 200.
Riaz claps it over. Astonishing ball striking from Riaz. Another 6, 200 is up with one delivery to be bowled.
Gosh, this is a massive over. How many runs already? They've got 19 runs. Hamza's figures were so good before this over started and now gone for 38.